Namaste, I am Kimaya Rogde from 8C and welcome to School Tak News channel. We are going to tell you about the IPL Indian Premier League. IPL Indian Premier League was started in 2008 by Lalit Modi. Currently there are 10 teams in IPL. They are Mumbai Indians, Chennai Super Kings, Royal Challengers Bengaluru, Delhi Capitals, Lucknow Super Giants, Punjab Kings, Sunrisers Hyderabad, Gujarat Titans, Rajasthan Royals, Kolkata Knight Riders, Deccan Chargers and Pune Super Giants played for only 2 years because CSK and RR were banned.
MI Mumbai Indians was founded in 2008 and is owned by Neeta Ambani. They won their first IPL trophy in 2013, 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2020. Similar to CSK, they also have 5 IPL trophies. The current captain of MI is Hardik Pandya and the most successful captain of Mumbai Indians is Rohit Sharma.
LSG Lucknow Super Giants was founded in 2022, owned by Sanjeev Goenka. Their current captain is Rishabh Pant. In IPL 2025, Divyesh Rathi and Nicholas Puran gave the most proudful performance. Their most successful players include KL Rahul, Krunal Pandya, Mayank Yadav and many more.
SRH Sunrisers Hyderabad was founded on 2008. Its owner is Kavya Maran. It won its first IPL trophy in 2016 against RCB. It went in finals in 2024 against KKR. The captain at that time was David Warner. It went to finals in 2024 against KKR.
RR Rajasthan Royals was founded in 2008 and won its first IPL trophy. The current captain is Sanju Samson and the group is owned by the Manoj Badale and Royal Sports Group. It was banned with CSK for 2 years, 2016 and 2017.
Chennai Super Kings was founded in 2008 and had their most successful captain MS Dhoni. They won their IPL trophies in 2011, 2012, 2018, 2021 and 2023. Chennai Super Kings was banned for 2 years due to spot fixing 2016 and 2017.
KKR Kolkata Knight Riders was founded in 2008. It is owned by Shah Rukh Khan and the Mehta Group. It won 3 IPL trophies. The coach is Chandrakant Pandit and the captain is Ajinkya Rahane. The most successful players are Gautam Gambhir, Shubman Gill, Shreyas Iyer, Phil Salt, Michael Stark and many more.
PBKs Punjab Kings was founded in 2008, owned by Preeti Zinta. The current captain is Shreyas Iyer, who performed well in IPL 2025. Most successful players of PBKs are KL Rahul, Krunal Pandya, Mayank Yadav, Shikhar Dhawan and many more.
GT Gujarat Titan is a team which debuted in 2022 and won its first IPL trophy by captain Hardik Pandya. The current captain of GT is Shubman Gill. In 2023, Shubman Gill scored 890 runs and won his first orange cap, and Mohammad Shami took 23 wickets and won purple cap for GT. In 2025, Sai Sudarshan scored 737 runs and won orange cap, and Prasidh Krishna took 24 wickets and won purple cap for GT. GT qualified 3 times and went into final 2 times from 2022 to 2025.
DC Delhi captain was proudly known as their Delhi Daredevils before renamed in 2018. It was founded on 2008. Its current captain is Akshar Patel. The most successful players of DC Delhi captains are Kagiso Rabada, Akshar Patel and many more.
RCB Royal Challengers Bengaluru is a team which founded in 2008, owned by Vijay Mallya. The first captain of RCB was Rahul Dravid and the current captain is Rajat Patidar. Virat Kohli scored 973 runs in 2016, which is the highest score in IPL history. The most successful player of RCB are Chris Gayle, AB de Villiers and Yuzvendra Chahal, who is the also most successful bowler of RCB. RCB won its first IPL trophy in 2025 after 18 years under captain Rajat Patidar.
GT, Gujarat Titans and LSG, Lucknow Super Giants were the 2 teams debuted in 2022. The most player of the match award is given to MS Dhoni and the most player of the tournament award is given to Virat Kohli. The two caps were introduced in the starting of IPL season. Purple cap for most wickets and orange cap for most runs.
Most runs made in IPL history were by Virat Kohli and most wickets taken were by Yuzvendra Chahal, which were 973 runs and 225 wickets. That's it for today. Keep watching IPL and also our School Tak News channel. Thank you.